Hello, kids. I hope you all are doing well. Today we have a new topic, and our topic name is Plant in Different Climates. Let's come and read our chapter. It's chapter number 12, Plants in Different Climates. Start our chapter. Plants, shapes, and size. Plants grow in almost all parts of the world. They grow in all shapes and sizes. They live and grow in many different conditions. इनकी अलग अलग conditions में ये grow करते हैं. As the water is different at different place of different plants are different. Places are different. Did you know lotus flower is grow in a water? Yes, different plants lives and grow in many different conditions. Some plants grow in the area where the climate conditions are either too hot nor too cold. वहाँ पर कैसी होती है क्लाइमेट की जो कंडीशन वहाँ पे या तो बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है. They can bear heat and they are shade in summer. They have a lot of branches and leaves. Most of them shades their leaves in winter. There are new leaves in spring season. जिसे हम spring season that means पतझड़. Example, mango, neem, banyan and shisham trees. These are the picture of peepal tree, banyan tree and pine tree. Now, growing climate condition. There are some plants where the climate is cool. In those plants, the plants which can bear that cold weather grow well. They can not grow in the climate which is hot or moderate. They have needle-shaped leaves. उनकी कैसी शेप होती है leaves की? Needle shape बहुत तिक्की नुकीली टाइप्स की उसकी शेप होती है. They do not bear flowers. They bear gums, etc., pine, cracker trees, etc. Some plants grow in hot and damp climate. They are evergreen plants. They do not shade their leaves in winters. Coconut and teak trees grow in a hot, humid and wet place. ये क्या? बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म जगह पर और ह्यूमिडिटी जहाँ पर होती है वहाँ पर और सूखी जगह पर ये होते हैं. Which one? Coconut tree and teak trees. Rubber and paper also like such a climate of their group. Rubber tree और paper tree के लिए भी ऐसा ही climate की need होती है. Some plants also grow in place where climate is very hot as in desert. Desert यानी रेगिस्तान में जैसा climate होता है वैसा ही इन्हें चाहिए होता. Those plants either do not have leaves or have very few leaves. इनमें या तो leaves होती ही नहीं है या फिर बहुत कम leaves होती हैं. They have thick spongy stem. इनके पास में बहुत thick और spongy stem होता है. They store water in them. उस stem में वो water store कर लेते हैं. Cactus is the example of these. From this, our chapter has been completed. It's time to point to remember. Plants in one place are different from those in another place because the weather is different at different place. Some plants like mango, neem, shisham trees grow in the place where the climate conditions are neither too hot or too cold. Some plants like pine, sugar, some plants like pine grow well in cold climate. Coconut, teak, rubber and paper grow in places which have hot and damp climate. Some plants also grow in very hot and dry place, etc. Example is cactus. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.